Okay, so we're here in Plumbcenter in Shipley, the new Baxi 600s here. As you can see, stainless steel heat exchanger in the top, brass hydro block in the back. It's really small, similar size to a Logic. Cupboard fit, brass, stainless steel, like I said before. Interestingly, if you look around the back, you can get the pipes straight at the back, so there's no more need for a standoff bracket. It can come straight up there. I believe this comes with a 7-year warranty. Central frill, expansion vessel on the side. On the top there we've got the Schrader valve. Thanks very much, Alan, for pointing that out. And this is cool wall technology, if that actually matters to anybody. But yeah, cracking boiler, released soon, but obviously on display in Shipley Plumbcenter for everybody to see. PRV on the front.